Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Amazon account to your Shopify website. So by linking your Amazon account means that you can add your Amazon products to your Shopify website. So for that, first you need to click on add apps in the left panel, and here you need to click on view more, and after that a new window will open. Here you need to search for spread R. Here you can see Amazon importers spread R app. You need to click on it, and after that you need to click on add app, and then you need to click on install app. So in order to link your Amazon account, you need to create a Amazon associate account. So here you can see Amazon associates button. You need to click on it, and from here you will need to sign up if you don't have an Amazon associate account, or log in if you already have a associate account. So once you have made the Amazon associate account, then you need to open your product and then copy the link of your product. So here you need to copy the link and then go to that Red R app, and then you need to paste the link of the product here and then click on add product. So here you will see that the import has been started. Then click on close, and then all you need to do is click on edit. This will open up the Shopify dashboard, and here you can see that my Amazon product has been added to my Shopify website. So you can edit the product category, product type, etc. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next tutorial.